What if I told you there's a secret workout you can do in under 5 minutes a day, without breaking a sweat, without lifting weights, and it could completely transform your performance in bed? Do this daily, and trust me, your wife will feel the difference. Let's face it, guys, between work stress, lack of physical activity, and aging, your stamina and confidence can slowly take a hit. You may feel like you're not performing at your best, and it starts affecting your relationship. But what if the real issue is something you've never trained? Your pelvic floor muscles. Your pelvic floor is the foundation of your performance. These are the same muscles you engage when you stop your pee midstream. And when they're weak, so is your control, your stamina, and your confidence. But here's the good news. Like any muscle, you can train it. Enter Kegel exercises for men. Simple, private, and incredibly effective. Here's exactly what to do. Sit or lie down comfortably. Squeeze the pelvic muscles like you're stopping your pee. Hold for 5 seconds. Then relax for 5. Do this 10 times per session. Oh, and pro tip. Breathe normally. Don't tighten your abs or glutes. Only the pelvic floor. Repeat this 3 times a day. That's it. You don't need to go to the gym. You don't need equipment. You don't even need to tell anyone you're doing it. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you may start noticing more control during intimacy, longer endurance, and even stronger erections. Research shows pelvic floor exercises improve erectile function by over 60% in some men. You'll feel stronger. She'll feel surprised, in the best possible way. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Do this daily. Surprise her, satisfy her, and rediscover your confidence. Try Kegels. Feel the difference. Thank us later. Like, subscribe, and share this with a brother who needs a little boost. Your secret weapon is now unlocked.